Hi all, welcome back to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. This is Sumalata Kulkarni. Today I am going to make a onion chutney recipe. Firstly, soak handful of dry chilies in a hot water. I have taken a badgi chilies here. Red chilies reduces blood pressure and prevents cardiovascular disease. Meanwhile, soak lemon-sized tamarind in a bowl of a normal water and keep it aside for a 30 minutes before start to do this onion chutney. Now heat a kadai with 3 tablespoons of oil and add a 3 roughly chopped onion to it. Fry it until it changes to a light pink color and shrinks slightly. Now add a 2 large garlic to it. Approximately 15 to 20 garlic cloves I have added here. Fry it well until it changes its color and texture. Now transfer it into a plate. Now in the same kadai add 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of chana dal. Saute until dal turns aromatic and changes its color. Now add 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds to it. Fry it well. Now transfer it into a plate. Put all ingredients into a mixie jar and add soaked tamarind also with water. And now add soaked red chilies. Add 2 teaspoons of rock salt and 3 tablespoons of jaggery and grind it like a smooth texture. Now heat a kadai with 3 to 4 teaspoons of oil and pour this mixture. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until oil separates from the kadai or a pan. Onions are packed with the nutrients and have antibacterial properties. Use generous amount of oil to a chutney as it increases the shelf life. And always cook low to medium flame to prevent the chutney from burning. Now switch off the stove and let it be cool for a few minutes. Now transfer it into a glass jar. You can easily store this chutney for 15 to 25 days in a refrigerator. Now onion chutney is ready to have with rice, chapati and paratha. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.